Yo, what's going on, guys? Sam here, and today, after waiting for such a long time, the Apple Card has more or less officially been released. And I say that because while it is not widely available, people like you and me that have signed up with our emails to get notified about the Apple Card have begun receiving emails and push notifications saying that you can sign up for the card. People getting approved in like 2 or 3 minutes and actually able to start using the card on their phone digitally instantly. So some really cool stuff. I want to show you guys everything we know so far about the Apple Card and of course how you can get your hands on this credit card from Apple the quickest. If you're excited, drop a like down below. Seriously helps me and the channel out, and hit subscribe so you stay up to date on all the latest Apple news. So the Apple Card isn't like one of Apple's traditional products. It's sort of a blending between like a physical card and also a service that lives on your iPhone and reportedly could live on your iPad as well. The rewards are not insane. They're not out of this world, but you get 2% cash back on every Apple Pay purchase, 3% back on Apple products, and 1% everywhere else that you use the physical card. Now, the physical card is like half the draw of this. And when you use it, you get like bottom of the barrel rewards. Like most cards offer way more than 1% in 2019, but it's titanium. Apparently it feels out of this world in your hand. And people that have gotten their cards, they say that they are incredible. They say it's the most premium feeling credit card that they've ever used, even compared to like an American Express card that you pay $250 a year to use. So even the rewards are better on that. Like the physical part of this card is a huge portion of Apple's marketing to get people to sign up for it. And honestly, I can't blame people for being interested in this product. Like it's one of the coolest cards that has ever been released. Where the Apple Card really shows its perks though is when you're using it inside of the Wallet app. I've got tons of new screenshots and information to show you guys about how it actually looks when you are using the Apple Card on your phone. These are all crowdsourced from Twitter and other places on the internet. I will try my best to leave those sources linked down below. But I mean, the UI is really cool. So first off, like when you spend money on the Apple Card, it dynamically changes in color depending on what category you spend in. So like food and drink might be orange. You've also got weekly activity. You can see what days you're spending the most money. You can make your payments early. And of course, you can order the physical card here and it will let you know when your card has been shipped to you. What's cool about this is it combines the great experience of Apple Pay, being able to pay with your phone or your watch, but now being able to see your data and really take control of what you're spending your money on, maybe helping you visualize easily, whoa, I didn't know I spent $2,000 on food a year or something crazy like that. Or I didn't know I spent $700 just yesterday buying stuff on Amazon or another online store. So that part is going to be very cool. And again, that's what sort of differentiates this card, even though the physical rewards for using it or even the digital are not like best in class by any stretch of the imagination. You also get daily cash. So you get cash back the day you buy something rather than having to deal with points or anything else. You can see that it just goes straight back to your Apple Cash Card, which is neat. Apple thought about pretty much every aspect of the process here, and it is like vertically integrated from top to bottom. Apple wants to make sure that you love the Apple Card, and it's very easy to understand everything, how much interest you owe. For example, if you don't want to pay your bill right away, it will tell you how much interest exactly you will be paying, as seen in this screen right here, which is pretty cool. Again, it feels like they're actually watching out for us. I'm a little skeptical that they are, but it appears so. Now, the fastest way to get your hands on the Apple Card is to actually go on Apple's website and fill out your email in this little section right here that says notify me on apple.com/applecard. So if you go to this website right here and then tap on notify me, you want to enter your email and then you will be one of the first to get the Apple Card. Now, I did this months ago in March and I still haven't gotten my invite just yet, but before the wide rollout, I'd recommend putting your email in here, and there's a chance that at random Apple will pick you. That's how they said they are doing the preview invitations as of right now. I actually reached out to Apple and see if they could help me out. They haven't gotten back to me just yet. So it appears to be completely random. Like you're either going to be lucky and you get pulled, or, you know, you might have to wait a little bit longer until sometime in August. And in that way, it's a pretty untraditional Apple product launch. Where an iPhone is released on a Friday, you can line up at the Apple Store and physically get it. This is a little bit different. It's much more chance-based, at least in the early stages. All in all, the Apple Card is pretty cool, and I'm excited to go hands-on with it. Of course, I'll be showing you guys the physical card once I receive it. In the meantime, it is officially out. We've been waiting on this for months. Apple had confirmed it was coming in August, and the preview's out now. Let me know down below if you guys have actually gotten the Apple Card, if you've used it, if you plan on signing up for it, and whether or not you think the Apple Card is all it's cracked up to be. In the meantime, I'm going to be sitting here patiently checking my email every other second to see if I got that preview invite. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, if you learned something new, drop a like down below, hit subscribe for more. I've been Sam. I hope you're doing well, and I'll catch all of you in my next video.